Replacing a door in your Dallas home can be a valuable investment that enhances your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you're updating your entry door, installing new patio doors, or replacing interior doors, the cost of door replacement varies depending on several factors. Understanding these factors can help you make an informed decision about your door replacement project, ensuring that you get the best value for your investment. In this article, we'll explore the cost of door replacement in Dallas and what you can expect when replacing your home's doors. Types of doors and their cost. One of the primary factors affecting the cost of door replacement is the type of door you choose. There are several types of doors, each with its own price range based on material, design, and function. Here are some common types of doors and their average costs. Entry door. Entry doors are the focal point of your home's exterior and provide both security and curb appeal. These doors come in various materials, including steel, fiberglass, and wood, each with its own price point. Steel entry doors typically cost between $300 to $1,500 for the door alone, with installation fees ranging from $200 to $400. Steel doors are highly durable and energy efficient, making them a popular choice. Fiberglass entry doors. These doors usually cost between $500 to $2,000, with installation fees ranging from $300 to $500. Fiberglass doors are durable, energy efficient, and can mimic the look of wood, making them an attractive option. Wood entry doors. A premium option, wood entry doors generally cost between $800 to $3,000 or more, depending on the wood type and design. Installation costs typically range from $300 to $600. While wood doors offer natural beauty, they require more maintenance compared to steel or fiberglass doors. Patio doors. Patio doors are another common door replacement choice in Dallas. These doors allow easy access to outdoor spaces and often feature large glass panels. The cost of replacing a patio door depends on the material and style. Sliding glass patio doors typically cost between $400 to $2,000 for the door alone, with installation fees ranging from $300 to $500. Sliding glass doors are a popular option due to their space-saving design and ability to let in natural light. French doors. French doors are elegant and often more expensive, with prices ranging from $700 to $3,000 or more. Installation can cost between $400 to $600. These doors add a classic charm and are great for homes with larger openings. Interior doors. Replacing interior doors in your Dallas home is typically less expensive than replacing exterior doors, though costs can still vary. Interior doors come in many styles, from basic panel doors to more decorative options. Basic hollow core interior doors. These are the most affordable, with prices ranging from $50 to $150 per door. Installation costs generally range from $75 to $150. Solid core interior doors. For more durability and soundproofing, solid core doors cost between $150 to $500 per door, with installation fees ranging from $100 to $250. Material and style preferences. The material and style of the door you choose will also impact the cost of replacement. Premium materials, such as solid wood or high-end fiberglass, will naturally increase the cost. Additionally, Custom or decorative features, like glass panels, side lights, or transom windows, will add to the price. A custom door with intricate designs or a unique finish can cost significantly more than a basic, factory-made door. If you're looking for energy-efficient doors, be prepared to pay slightly more. Energy-efficient doors, such as those with insulated cores, low-E glass, or better weather sealing, often cost more upfront but can save you money in the long run by improving your home's energy performance. Installation cost. The cost of installation is another important consideration when replacing doors. Installation fees can vary depending on the complexity of the installation and the company you hire. On average, installation costs in Dallas can range from $200 to $600 per door, though it can be higher for more complex installations or custom doors. If your door replacement requires modifications to the frame, such as resizing the opening, or if there are issues with removing old doors, additional labor costs may apply. It's always a good idea to get multiple quotes from different contractors to ensure you're getting a fair price for the installation. Additional costs and considerations. Removing old doors. In some cases, the cost of removing and disposing of your old door may be included in the installation price. However, if it's not, this could add an additional $50 to $150 to your total project cost. Hardware and accessories. Don't forget to account for the cost of new hardware, such as handles, locks, and hinges. These can range from $20 to $200 depending on the quality and style. Permits and inspections. If your door replacement requires significant structural changes or is part of a larger remodel, you may need a permit. The cost of permits in Dallas typically ranges from $50 to $200. How to save on door replacement costs. While door replacement can be an investment, there are ways to save on costs. Choose standard sizes. Custom-sized doors can be more expensive, so opting for standard sizes can save you money. Shop around. Get quotes from several contractors to compare pricing for both the door and installation. Sometimes local hardware stores or online retailers offer discounts. Consider DIY for interior doors. If you're comfortable with basic home improvement tasks, replacing interior doors yourself can save you on labor costs. Conclusion. Replacing doors in your Dallas home is a great way to improve energy efficiency, enhance security, and boost curb appeal. The cost of door replacement depends on several factors, including the type of door, material, installation, and additional features. By understanding the cost breakdown and working with reputable contractors, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your budget and goals. Whether you're replacing entry doors, patio doors, or interior doors, investing in high-quality, properly installed doors will provide long-term value and comfort for your home.